Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements and welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500, the Nasdaq100 and the DowJones30 futures charts all on the final trading session of the week. Now let's get started with the S&P 500. I just want to mention that all major indices are rallying today because of course today it was non-farm payrolls. It was Jobs Friday, so we actually had a number that come in significantly lower than expected. Estimates were around 250,000 jobs created in the month of June. However, the number was actually only 209,000. So this is the first negative surprise in over 15 months. And this is very important because this is what the Fed has been looking for. Just quickly looking at the S&P 500 from more of a technical breakdown, this plays into the exact technical analysis that I did yesterday. I said that it looked to me that we were trading within this five-wave structure. We had the first leg, second, the third, the fourth, and now we're in the process of this fifth leg. And in my own humble opinion, I believe as we go into the into next week's trading sessions, I think that we have got a real good opportunity to go and hit 4,500 and potentially go and hit actually about 0.786 Fib area, which sits at around 4,550. But I definitely think that 4,500 is on the cards early next week as we complete this five-wave elliott wave structure. And you would have heard me actually say during yesterday's video that it's very important that the fourth wave doesn't break below the first wave, and that's exactly what happened. And I think at the time when I was filming yesterday's video, we were trading around this 4,390 area, and I said that this will likely be the bottom where this 200-day EMA is. And exactly at that point, that's where we saw a bounce in the market here, where we respected the top of this first wave. So very nice move here in the S&P 500. We've broken by the 50-day EMA, almost 2-hour chart, and again, in my own humble opinion, I think that we're now going to go and target the swing highs going into Monday's session next week, and I think that we will break above it and go up and hit 4,500. Moving over to the Nasdaq 100, like I said at the start of today's video, we're seeing a rally across the board here in all three major US indices. And again, this is exactly what I said during my technical analysis during yesterday's video. In my own humble opinion, I did say that I thought that we were trading within this five-wave elliott wave structure. We had the first leg, followed by the second to third leg, and then we had the fourth leg, and now we are currently in the process of this fifth leg, where I believe that we will trade up towards 15,400, going into the start of next week's trading week. And very similar to the S&P 500, we had this test of pretty much this 200-day EMA, and we managed to respect the top of this first wave of this elliott wave structure. That's a fourth low. Again, that's very important. And I said during yesterday's video, you can go back and watch it, but I thought that we were going to bottom around here, and that's exactly what happened. We bottomed around 14,960. So going into next week, despite what many investors believe, and that is that this market is way too frothy, I don't disagree with them that it's frothy, but I do disagree, and I believe that we could potentially see a continuation of the move higher. Many investors have been calling for this sell-off to occur, where I've been actually coming onto YouTube for the past month or so and arguing that, don't get it in the way of this market. Just ride the momentum here, and that's exactly what I've been doing, and I still believe that we can go another 225 points higher up towards 15,400, and then that scenario going especially into the weak month of August, where I do believe the markets will likely see some consolidation before a very strong finish to 2023. And then last but not least, just moving over to the Dow Jones 30, we've found support at that 50-day EMA again, so that's very encouraging. And I expect a nice move high here. I think going into next week, we've got the potential to bounce back up towards 34,400. If we take out this swing high now, then of course that's very encouraging indeed, because that would have been likely to open up the door up towards, let's say, 35,000, which of course are the highs that we formed back on December 13th back in 2022. So it's been a very good week for myself and my Signal team, especially my premium Signal followers over at Daily Market Movements. If you would like to be part of my free trading Signal group, then all you have to do is scan this QR code on this screen. That will take you through to my website. It takes 10 seconds to sign up, and it's completely free of charge. Guys, I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. I'm very excited going into the new trading week next week, as I am anticipating a continuation of this move higher. But if you do have a few seconds over the weekend, then definitely get involved in my Signal team and look out for my daily market research that I post as well every single morning before the US markets open.